Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a tight landing spot and immediately securing a compound. This reduces unnecessary walking and cutoffs. Once you touch ground, clear rooms fast and call your position to teammates because communication prevents blind roaming mistakes. Make sure to set 2 exits and keep one teammate watching windows as a scout. This lets you patrol without drifting. Move on to loot essentials only: armor, helmet, basic meds, and resist chasing distant sounds until your area is fully controlled. You now shift into controlled movement. Move cover to cover and use quick peeks to confirm threats because prolonged exposure invites ambush. Once done, use map pings aggressively to mark rotations and note where the circle will push you. This prevents aimless drifting. Make sure to maintain assigned roles so one player anchors the compound while another scouts and a third holds the flank. Spacing of about 10 to 30 meters keeps you cohesive yet flexible for engagements. You finish by committing to a defendable compound before the final circle shrinks because late relocations cause roaming. Once positioned, set 2 crossfire angles and assign a supply runner to resupply safely. This secures victory chances. If enemies push, use grenades and smokes to funnel them into your fields of fire. If you still see teammates roaming, pause and call a timeout. Clarify roles, limit loot runs, and re-establish voice discipline. That single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.